Right, hello, and welcome back to another episode of the Captain of Industry. Welcome back to oil refinery tutorial. It's a tutorial, it's not really a tutorial, but this power thing is quite interesting. Why is it doing this? Like, I understand that I can do the power thing here. Wait a minute, what if I go here? Okay, they don't have the spinny thingy thing. Okay, so I was thinking, what is this? Allow powering surplus... Wait a minute, what is this? Allow powering surplus consumers. When enabled, the power generated here can also be used by consumers to set up the surplus power only. Surplus mode is useful for generation when unused power would otherwise be wasted. Example, solar panels. Yes, solar panels are wasted. Instead, this power can be redirected to surplus consumers. Surplus generators always have priority over non-surplus ones for power gen. I have no idea what this is. Okay, consumers to set up the surplus power. Is now going higher or something? Like, why is this going all the way there? I really don't understand. Okay, whatever. We have from time to time power issues, which are absolutely funny, because I don't think it should. Look at this. Look at this. How does this work? No, seriously, guys. Like, I don't understand this. Let's do this. We had here. Where was the option again? Working shaft. No, it's here, right? This guy. Auto balance. If I do this, then it's just gonna go to 100% and that's it, right? Okay. Efficiency, auto balance. What about here? I don't get it. I understand that if I produce this much, they're burning coal and they're producing. Well, actually, this is 48, this is 24. So technically, I can have two of these generators running. The problem is that this generator is running now at 100%. Okay, maybe it's good for them to have blinky blink, you know, to go offline from time to time, to chill out. Here we go. Again, boom, straight away, offline. Even though we have the power production capability, I don't understand what the benefit of this is and how I can balance it. Again, I'm gonna leave that to you guys. Oh, we're done here. Let's go with the... There we go. Go all the way here. I will stay away from the pipe, because I think this can block the pipe, but now they can continue dumping it. Okay, so we said we're gonna be building our fuel refining capacity, and I'm gonna do that, exactly that. This ship has so much stuff that I can process, including iron. Is iron supposed to be delivered somewhere to fix something? I think it is. Deliver cargo, 240. Why don't you have 240? Because we are out of metal plates and we need to produce more. Okay, so now more of them are being produced ever so slowly. So this is going to be done shortly. Let's go, instead of delivering this to a ship, let's go and explore another location with our boat phase. With boat phase, go and explore another location, and we're going to focus on this later. I will definitely, after this, focus on ship weapons and ship armor, because I'm really surprised that I didn't meet enemies yet. I don't know if I changed anything about this, but I'll definitely try to be on top of things there. Biofuel, again, I don't know what to do with that. Cargo, okay, we can go with cargo depot. Okay, so we have a plan and we need to do it here. We have the dinosaur juice production that we need to complete. Here, this looks like it's refueling. That's fine. They probably didn't. They probably took the fuel for the ship. But what we're gonna do here is distillation stage 1. So this is where the oil comes from, and we don't have any storage for oil. We store it underground. That's for dinosaur juice. We do have for the diesel, but that's a different story. We will also have a dock somewhere here. I'm gonna build a dock. I think we're gonna need to have this dock, but for this, distillation stage 1 and distillation stage 2. Okay, so distillation stage 1 needs a dinosaur juice and steam. So let's see this way. If I'm gonna get the dinosaur juice either from here, yeah, I'm gonna make it work like this. So this is gonna be based on imports, because I think in the long run imports are gonna be everything. So imports here, and it looks like from this side here we need steam. So steam generator is simple. We need to find this steam generator. So was that under water again? Yeah, there we go. Boiler, right? Yeah, steam boiler. That's it. So I'm gonna get this here. Okay. This needs water. Water! Needs water, and it needs coal. Coal is... And we need the outlet here. Okay, let's work on this one first. Outlet is a smokestack, so build a smokestack, that's fine. Next to that I will build the storage unit for coal. I'll build a little bit space in between, like this. Actually, you know what, for now, let's just not do it this way. I'll put it way less space just because this is supposed to be acting as a single unit. So, coal storage like this, maybe. No, I'll just do it next to this building on this side. I know, there's a pipe in between, but actually, I don't know. I'll just build it this way for now. Learning experience for all of us. I want it this way and this way. There we go. A little bit more aside, just because I'm going to be building pipe over this one. Okay, why am I not building the water storage next to it? Why am I not building water storage next to it? Why am I talking to myself? Unpause. Remove this. So, step back. Fluid storage. Right next to it, loose storage. I need to leave a little bit space just so they can access this area from all sides, and just U-shaped pipe. Okay, so this way, and here pipe simple like this. Okay, so I need water here. We do have water over there. Do I want to continue delivering this water in that direction? It's already mess here, or do I do it maybe from here? It's still gonna be mess there. But this is where everything begins, and then, okay, I'll skip the water delivery part, and I'm gonna totally forget about it, and I'm gonna be looking like a dumbass later on. So, do it like this, and like this. This is steam delivery. This is dinosaur juice delivery. This is the spicy water. This is a bad stuff. What else do you give us here? With dinosaur juice, you give us medium. Oh, there we go. I didn't have any alarms. That's interesting. I think previously I had alarms. Battle in progress here. I lost. This is what, because my ships are running away from them. They have one turret, only front gun. I have 0 guns, so my guys need to run away as soon as possible. Okay, that's good. Hopefully they're coming back. Let me see if I can explore anything else while they're here. No, that's good. They're coming back because they're gonna refill on the metal plates, and that's gonna be it. Okay, continuing on here. Spicy water from here, and this is literally like, well, let's call it spicy water. I will initially dump it somewhere here where we have this flat coast, just to allow our trash trucks to deliver more waste in this direction. So, what is this? This is coal. Let's go for coal and put it like this. Okay, coffee time. Okay, next up, water. We're gonna come back to that. Spicy water. I cannot connect it to here. This is a problem. I mean, I can. It's just the length of the pipe can be only used by one item. So, and I might want to rebuild this after I put another layer of trash here. So what I'm gonna try to do here is a liquid dump, and I'm gonna try to make it as far away here as possible. Okay. Okay, so what's the problem here? Collision with shipyard. That doesn't look like a collision. Okay, I'll do it over here. And this might be the final location for it. It might be. So let's do and play. Let's go and play with the pipes a bit. What do you need for here? You need a lot of yellow ones. That's fine. Let's continue. Just continue doing that. So what I'm gonna do here is pipes. You're gonna go this high. Yes, exactly. Okay. And let's just do it like this. Why is it spinning in this direction? Don't spin in that direction, just go here. Yeah, what the hell? I don't get it. You're literally supposed to go to here and it's not listening to me. You know what? I think it's... I have no idea why. But I'll leave this 5 stages here. That's fine. Let's continue from here. Can we go next to this building? It's weird. Yes and no. I would like to go straight forward here, but looks like it's not agreeing with me. Okay, I'm gonna have to do a little detour here, and then in this direction. There we go. This is the spicy water. This is where we're gonna be dumping spicy water. Did you load 240? Yes, they did. Perfect. Let's go here and fix this ship. I don't know what the damaged cargo ship needs to be repaired before we can use it. Okay, deliver cargo. I don't know how that works, but fine. Okay, so one stage and it connected to distillation stage 2. So we have this one connected, and so now let's go to distillation stage 2. Distillation stage 2 is more steam. Okay, more steam. Distillation 1. And the medium oil. So here we get heavy oil, and at the moment, I can only burn it. So we're gonna be burning heavy oil. So this one is the only output we have. We need dinosaur juice in. We can get it from our own supplies. But I'm thinking about doing it from the ships now. We'll see how it goes, but I'm just thinking about it. Okay, thinking about it. What I want to do is... I would like to focus on having 2 different oil productions. So this one is obviously going to be from here, and this is a good direction for input of steam, as you can see, and diesel is going to be here. So what I'm going to do now, this is all liquids, which is fine, perfect, but I would say fine. Like this, just pipes, perfect. And now the steam production is over there. Now how much steam it can produce and how much steam we need, that's a good question. I'm gonna try to do it from here. No, go over there and connect it here. So this is additional steam. How much steam do we need? So let's go with steam generator. Steam generator would be underwater, that would be boiler, 48 steam, okay. And now dinosaur juice needs 6 steam and 3 steam. Okay, perfect, I'm fine with that. Okay, and now we have 2 things here. We get the green stuff. What is the green stuff? The green stuff is light oil, and as far as I understand, I can only burn it at the moment until we get more advanced technologies. And that would be the setup of this. Now we have a couple of inputs that need to be dealt with. One of them is the dinosaur juice input. Let's prioritize this just so they are, yeah, just prioritize this. Speed 3 times. Okay, map-wise, they're fixing the boat. Okay, So what's with the boats? It says here that we have 2 boats. Number of ships available, repaired, number of ships discovered. I have no idea where those ships are. I only visually see 1 ship. Okay. Well, that's my experience so far. And this is a spicy water, which is sour water. This is initially just a waste product, but fear not, later on I think you can process sulfur from this spicy water, which, yeah, that's perfectly fine. We're gonna do that later. What the hell is this? Why is this different heights? Okay, it's just my perception of it. It's not different heights. Okay, so we need input of dinosaur juice and we need input of water, H2O. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna just go from here, get the water either from here or from here. Ooh, good question. I don't know. This is a little bit shorter. I'll just do it here. I think I'm overthinking this, but for now, let's just do it from here. Oh no, this is gonna be horrible. It's gonna be horrible from here. Okay, it's gonna look... Oh my god. Whoa. Seriously? Okay, let's do the short jumps then. What about this? That's way better. No, give me the height. And now, boom, there we go. This is what we need. Okay, next stop. I don't think there's a next stop. At the moment, we don't need anything. We have enough of these construction slabs, concrete slabs. What's this? Pipes number 2. Okay, so do I have to select them? What are they made of? Oh, they're made of the level 2 materials. Okay, that's fine. Can we upgrade the pipes? Click on the pipe and upgrade. Yes, we can. Okay, perfect. And that's while they're operating. So if I need higher level pipes, that's easy. Easy peasy. Coal looks like it's working. Let me see coal over here. Looks like it's not really full, but it's in decent quantities, but it's not stopping. Coal is coming and coming. That's great. But I can see that it's not... it's interrupted slightly. Some of this is being... Can you paste this? Because this boiler is the one that is creating all this. Let's see, steam 48. How much steam do you need? 24. So you can run 2 of these generators at the same time. And are you consuming all the coal? I would say yes. No, output is full. No, it's not. Okay, that's good, because when they create a pressure, they don't continue creating pressure constantly. So yeah, that's nice. That's okay. Water is being pumped into the refinery here, but these are still the ones that we need to finish. Oh, yeah, sure. We need this one, but I think I prioritize this one, just because this is gonna tick the box, and we're gonna be or sorting plant blocked. What? Farm cannot store potatoes. Yeah, we have too much food. Yay! Good problem to have. Farm and or sorting plant blocked to the full output. What's the full output? Full output is the... Is that a rock? Yeah, but why don't you tell me what the goddamn product this is? The sorter is not accepting the... Freaking hell off. F word, Oolykee said F word. Come on, like, tell me what the product is. What are you doing? Like, come on, man. Yeah, rock is fine. Like, I can crush the rock, I can turn it into more crushed rock, or the artificial sand, I think it's called manufactured sand, but that's fine. Nothing else needs to be done. These guys are delivering dirt here, and I think they're gonna be delivering the this rock as well, which is fine. But yeah, everything here is done now. Spicy water should be dumped here when we use it. We need input of the fuel, but we need to finish these refineries first. So let's speed this up because we are lagging behind in production of these materials. So let's see how it's going. What are we missing? We need to produce more of these. We are missing plates. Are we having everything for plate production? These guys are doing okay. I think, no, we're definitely missing these. Waiting for products. What products are we waiting for? Iron ore. Okay, that's fair play. Good to know. We're missing iron ore. Yeah, that means I'm gonna need another excavator. Excavator and 2 more trucks. Speed times 3, that's great. And let's build this one. So I'm gonna employ more excavators around here. I think I'm gonna start leveling this. This is just a ramp going up, which I'm gonna be... I can just continue building upon this ramp. I think this is gonna be the easiest one. So build until I'm out of iron. So what I'm saying here is if we go and edit this area and just edit it all the way until like there's no iron, and then just employ the excavators to expand expand this what we built here, which is not going to be a problem. So like this, 15, and then from here all the way here. We can go all the way. Oh, they're actually gonna start here. That's perfectly fine. They started over from the below, but doesn't matter. I'm gonna be putting another excavator here as soon as it's built. So it's gonna be done in seconds. And trucks, if when I assign them, they're gonna take already built trucks here. So 1 and 1, 2, and there we go. So we're gonna double the production of iron ore, which is obviously the thing that we lack here the most. I will see how that's gonna work then. Our boats are done. No, they're not. Let me see the map. Boats are stuck here. Please continue exploring. I'm fine with that. We need to upgrade the boats, but we need to research. Ship weapons are being researched at the moment. That's perfect, perfect, perfect. Coffee time. These guys are missing stuff as well. Yeah, iron plates are the biggest problem. So we're missing iron ore. We're gonna get more iron ore. As you can see, they're expanding everything. Perfect. Farm could not store potato harvest. Yeah, unfortunately it is what it is. I don't think we're gonna be able to do so. Here, fertility is high, fertility is low, fertility is low, so I'm not sure what to do. Oh, new trees. New trees. But it's fir trees being planted here, and they're not always the best ones for, well, anything, because soil underneath them can be acidic due to the pine needles being acidic, so they kind of kill off everything underneath the trees, like a lot of other plants. A lot, not all. I think some fungi can grow, but the oak trees, beech trees are much friendlier to other wildlife and everything else. What are you guys complaining about? They are complaining. This guy is just planting trees. He doesn't care. They're complaining because they don't have anywhere to deliver. Oh, ship in battle. Yeah, again, they're gonna run away. As far as I understand, we don't really lose because they, you know, run away every time. Let me see if they can go and search or something else. No, no exploring here. No, I think they're gonna have to go back all the way. Yeah, that's fine. Let them go back all the way, and we're gonna work on that later. For now, this one is paused. We still have 600,000 oil, which I'm planning to tap into as well. I wanted to say as soon as everything here is done, but look at these guys, huh? Creating our new shoreline. Is this done? This is done. I would actually like to move this vehicle production somewhere where the materials are more accessible, easily produced. So I'm gonna build vehicle depot over here. Okay. And please start producing these in vast quantities. I want the backlog of the... like I said here, I can easily make more plate production. I can easily make more the blast furnaces, so that's not going to be a big problem. You can see here that it's backlogging. This is good. That means that the blast furnaces are adequate. How many do you create? 24, 24, or 24. And they use only 36 out of 48, so... with full production here, we would be able to employ one more. But for now, I'm gonna leave it because I think you can see here that plates are not being used here. They're kind of backlogging here, right? Well, these are getting the most plates anyway. They go for research. That's important. Maybe I want one more. I'm thinking about it now. Okay, let's go for it. Just because this is the current bottleneck. So go here, connect this into here. Conveyor belt. From here all the way up here, and that's it. Nothing else needs to be done. So this is going to increase our... if these two guys are working at 100%, they're gonna be filling these constantly, which is great. And they were working up until now 100%. They're, well, yeah, and then hopefully they're gonna continue to do so. Yeah, we can see iron being delivered, smelted, casted, turned into plates, and then into research. Okay, this is not done yet, so I'm not happy with the amount of stuff we are getting into these guys here and this guy here. And this percentage-wise, this is like maintenance. I would like to see production, like, you know, like in Satisfactory and elsewhere. You have the production percentage, like if they're idling, it should be shown. Yeah, this was idling for a while. So how much do you consume? You consume 12 of these. We are producing 12 and 6, that's 18. So yeah, these two should be producing enough for... They should be producing enough for this guy and for storage, which we kind of need both. What I would like to see, can I stop? Not with these. Did we research those other conveyor belt intersections? U-shape, U-shape, U-shape. Molten balancer, no. Flat sort of flat balancer. Flat connector. Is that just the connector that we have already here? Yeah, looks like it is. Distributes products between connected conveyor belts with optimal prioritization. But this is big. Why is it so huge? I don't know. For now, I think, I don't know, I would like to continue doing like this. Again, the power icon was appearing. Yeah, this guy says that it has stuff. Oh, we're done here. Right, let's go and should we flatten the tops now? I think we might have, it would be the best thing to do here. Let's do mining, but flatten it. Yeah, this looks like it's flattening it, okay? If I continue doing it in this direction, what are you going to do? And let me expand the area. I'm thinking that some of this is gonna be, yeah, they're gonna be topping it off the mountain, but I will be expanding it in other directions. I can do this kind of stuff as well, so I'll remove all of these so they're not in the way, and then I can do like this. Yeah, something like this. I hope that this is not too high for them, but yeah, anyway. Not enough workers. Whoa! Okay, that's red flag. Unpause. Migration unpause, but we don't have enough housing. Upgrade, I think I should upgrade. How many do we need? 100, we have 6. Okay, that's not ideal. I'll build more small housing than this level housing. Like there. Pause. No. How much does this cost? 80, we have 140. Okay, let's build it there. Just in case, I'm not sure if I'm gonna need here anything. Go. Stuff on the boat. Way too much stuff. Copper here. What do I do with copper? What do I do, guys, with copper? I can't store it because I'm gonna need like 6 warehouses to store all the copper. Maybe I should build 6 warehouses. How much does the warehouse cost? 30 construction materials. What about... Okay, I'll just leave it alone for now. We are researching this. Storage 2. We can do that next one. Storage 2 is... costs 30 yellow materials, so yeah, still a lot. Look, we are optimizing our steel production or iron production. Well, soon enough we're gonna have steel as well. This is gonna be important. This is why I'm saying that we're gonna... Oh my god, I just remembered that this is not... This doesn't belong here. Well, I can build in this direction as well. Another smelter is gonna be needed eventually, so... I don't know how much this costs. Doesn't matter, whatever. I'll deal with that when we come to it, cross that bridge. This is being stored, that's perfectly fine. This is being manufactured, okay. How are we doing with wood, with these? Looks like it's okay. Not enough workers times 2. Not enough workers in the beacon. Farm could not store. Okay, yeah, don't worry. Yeah, workers need to... Well, what? If we don't have enough workers here, how are we supposed to get more workers here? Priorities, right? Yeah, so 18 refugees in 10 months, that's fine. What is this? Let's go and send a ship elsewhere. Dead end. Let's go for... Let's go here. Yeah, we just need to restock, resupply with all the materials here. Again, optimize the amount of iron we're getting, that's fine. This is... Should I pause one of these? No, they're gonna pause themselves when they are full of materials. Okay. Looks like this one is running at 100%. Yeah, this one is running at 100%. This is important because that's the biggest producer of these, and then this should be supplied. Waiting for products, that means it's not working. Not enough workers, yes, I know. Oh, right, produce diesel by converting medium oil. Okay, we're missing workers. Yeah, okay, we're gonna focus on these missions. So we need diesel. I can bring pipes of diesel from here all the way here because I'm not doing the shipping diesel yet, but it's gonna be all the way here. Do I want to do that? Ship in battle. That was a... Whoa, that's one with double turrets and one with single turrets. So I think they run away like every time. I think sometimes maybe they get that. The hell is this? Is this... Did I... What? I didn't... What? Why is this not connected? Is this supposed to be connected here? I think this is steam. Okay, that's weird. That was very weird. Okay, anyway. We said pipes, Wesley pipes. Pipes and then dinosaur juice. I think we don't have a choice now. I think I can push for this dock to be built, but I'm not sure if I should. Okay, let's just go from here to 3 high all the way. Oh, perfect. It's actually perfect height. Okay, perfect. Yeah, so this is gonna bring us dinosaur juice. Go for it. And how much do we need? We need 42. How much do we have? 156. So this should be short to work. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Why are you doing this to me? Why is this being done to me? What am I missing here? Like, why did I miss these things? Okay. Okay, just build it whenever. Whatever you can do, just build it, but this is ridiculous. I didn't expect this to happen. A lot of missing pipes, like not well connected. And is this working? Output is full. Yeah, that's good. Chimney is connected. That's fine. So this is gonna create pressure. Okay, this should bring the oil. We still need to build that part. Oh, ship weapons. Okay, ship armor is being produced now. Oh, the boat is back. Okay, so let's send the boat again. Whatever, just go. I don't even like. It's all gambling anyway. Go away. Workers needed. That's fine. Oil, is it connected? Yes, it is. Is oil passing? Looks like it is. These are running out of oil here, but yeah, I will be producing these also. Light oil in burn excess light oil in flare. So that would be this one here. So, oh, I need to choose. No, it's waiting for products. So this is the heavy oil. This is light oil. So I need to burn the medium oil and heavy oil, and then we have here light oil. Okay, that's perfect. So light oil is gonna be burned in this. Oh, it's working. Boom! Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on, burn it. There we go. Being produced. Okay, the storage for dinosaur juice here is very low, so I'm not sure if I should store it here or connect it backtrack it there and connect it there, because I mean it is for the. Okay, I think I should. Let's just start building this infrastructure as well. So dinosaur juice. Oh, again battle. Well, oh right, okay. So collect reward, perfect. Okay. Research and build cargo depot. Yeah, so cargo depot is the one that I was. Yeah, it's next after ship armor, and I'm not changing this. Ship armor is next because this is as far as I got. I upgraded my ships with guns and I started winning battles. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So dinosaur juice is gonna go from here. 1, 2. How far? Like this far. So I can do. Yeah, I do parallel. Okay, let's do parallel. We can do a nice right like this. Very nice, very nice. I'm really impressed by the pathfinding. Almost perfect, but I'm gonna leave it as a nice thing. Okay, so that's it. This is now being constructed. How much do you need? 30. We have more than enough, so that should be. Oh, 120. Ah, yeah, we got some rewards. I was like, how do we get this much? Like, oh, efficiency. Oolykee's masterful efficiency. No, it's not. It's just that. There we go. We have dinosaur juice. We're producing dinosaur juice. Okay. Researching this will. Oh, potatoes cannot be stored. Go away. Small excavator has no full. Oh boy. Isn't it supposed to be refueling itself? Okay, this is a problem now. Small excavator has no fuel. But the fuel station is there. Go and refuel. Oh my god. I know that this is. Okay, so. Recover the vehicle will be reassembled and disassembled and reassembled at the nearest depot. Why? Send the vehicle depot for scrap for parts. No. And then use 0.2. Why? Why didn't it refuel itself? Fuel is there. I don't get it. I really don't get it. Come on, man. Don't do this stupid stuff. Oh my god. Here, and what did you resolve? Okay, can you please refuel yourself now? Who refueled you? Who refueled you? He's full of fuel. Did somebody bring fuel to him? I didn't see. God damn it. Because I need to know how this works, guys. This is important because like other vehicles might stop like this. Okay, anyway. Yeah, then we need to continue doing the coal stuff here. Coal is plentiful, that's fine. How are we doing with copper? I haven't checked this out in a while. The input is full, the conveyors are full, copper is being produced, and oh, is this still a bottleneck? Oh, this is upgraded fully. Are we seriously consuming all of this? Let's see, we are producing 12 electronics farm. Okay, go away. How much are we consuming here? We're consuming 2, and then we're consuming 4, that's 6, and then are we consuming more of these? Here we go, 6, and then additional 6, that's 12. That's 12. We're consuming 12 of you. That's very interesting. That's everything that we're producing. This is, well, quite interesting. Are we not consuming... let's say that research, that I'm going to be extremely smart. Big head Oolykee is going to be smart and is going to be using all the research. So let's say that the research is going to be supplied. This is 4. That's fine. These guys already stopped, so this is not working because it's fully produced. This is for the... Oh, but we have this as well, right? 6 and 2. And 4. 6 and 2 and 4, that's 12. And then we have another 6 over here, that's 18. And this is working 100%. These are on and off, I think. Well, how many do we have? Actually, this is not on and off. This guy looks like it's working constantly. Because this looks like it's empty. Do I upgrade this? Yeah. Does it save some? I don't know, maybe this saves some money. I'm gonna upgrade this. 30 and 20. This 20 is the dodgy one, that if we have it or not. I can just prioritize this anyway, so... Output is full. Oh! Output was full. Okay. Can you stop it? Actually, you know what? No. Just upgrade it and leave it as it is. We have these materials now, so I'm gonna just leave it. This guy here, we can upgrade this. Assembly 2. I think this is not gonna be any savings with this. Anyway, this is working. Iron is... Look, they're actually consuming a lot. They're already kind of broke through to the upper level, which I'm happy about. And I'm just going to be clearing in this direction. Ooh, this is a high peak. I don't know if they can clear this out. I don't know. It's going to be a nice thing to try to find out, right? Okay, let's do mining then. Designation. All the way here. New refugees, thank you very much. Yeah, get more people. We have 30 extra workers now, but get more people. Okay, so do we have any rewards or anything? No, we need to research cargo depot, 45 seconds. No, we're not gonna do it in this episode, probably. Well, I mean, I can push it, but I'm not sure. Cargo depot is not a big thing. What? Cargo depot is not a big thing because cargo depot I can do, it's just a build-up depot and 2 additional tanks, which is going to be oil tanks, and I'm going to be putting them approximately, well, as close as possible to this, because this is going to be the input for my refineries for this processing. I'm just wondering, how much is this? This is medium oil, 48, and this can process 48. Okay, this is, so if I need to expand, I need to build both of these facilities. Huh? Look at the different colors that they're burning. Cool. How are you doing with dumping? Dumping is looking good. Cargo depot 2 and attach it to fluid modules 2. Oh, one, sorry. Cargo depot number 2 and attach it to a fluid module S, whatever that S is. I did this already previously, so it's not a news to me. Look at this. I'm loving this, that we are recycling the slag from the iron production. We're recycling it concrete. So yeah, very little waste. As little waste as possible, that's the best thing to do. 141 of these, 200 of these. So I think we're fully recovered construction-wise. So I don't know what else we need to do here. Sand-wise, let me do these. There we go. Do this. Copper looks like it's gonna be fine. I need to make sure. Yeah, looks like copper is just not. They're not processing that much copper because we don't need that much copper. Yeah, this is. I don't know if this is now spiking. I can do. This is waiting for products. Is it really that we don't have these? Oh wait, this is copper products. Oh, that's opportunity for us. No, please go for everybody. Please deliver copper from the port. Yes, please. As soon as possible, bring as much copper as possible from this port. And oh, can I do it then? If I build another storage here for copper, or reverse this storage in this direction. Yeah, okay, I'm going for it. So what I'm thinking about here, I'm thinking about this, build a storage like this. Let's build a little bit more, this infrastructure is gonna look like crap. Okay, I'm just gonna build it like this then. And then here, this is gonna be obviously copper. But it's hopefully going to be only copper from, keep it full like this. Hopefully it's going to be only copper from port, that they're not going to be taking it from here. This is my concern. This has a priority of 5 and port has higher priority than this. This one has priority of number 1, I think. Keep empty. Truck priority for removal of store cargo. Can you go higher? No, that's the highest one we can go. Okay, anything else? Let's see, upgrading these. I think I want to start doing that. We have 35 additional houses. I'm not stopping immigration, so let's start upgrading these houses. I'm gonna start with these. Cargo depot, farms, yeah, that's fine. But, to remove the messages from the farms, we need to start consuming more food or build bigger storages for food. I will not build bigger storages for food. Potatoes here, they're just under 400, and just under 400 of vegetables. That's fine with me. They do have a lot of it here. I'm not sure if it rots here or something, or what happens on the fields. How can we balance this better? What is this? To skip the next crop in schedule, any progress on the current crop will be lost. Yeah, I don't care. I'm not doing it. And the reforestation here looks like it's progressing nicely, huh? Oh, and this is not a fir tree, definitely. So there, if this is something that they planted, but everything else looks like a fir or pine. Not sure which one is it. Yeah, maybe that was an old tree because everything looks like pine here. Interesting. I like this. I'm gonna leave this alone. And yeah, speed up. We have a boat, right? Ship armor. Should I be upgrading? Let's go ship designer, guns, put it like this. Oh yeah, this is how much it's gonna cost. Yeah, I will definitely. Do we have these materials? We have some of it. I'm just thinking, are we backlogging already? Are we having? Yeah, we're having queues of materials already, queuing up more than we consume. So yeah, all of this is done. Some electricity problems there again. Yeah, let's go with this. Ship designer. I will get... Oh, front as well. Yeah, of course. 360. There we go. This is what I was telling you guys. We need better storages. Did I... you know what? Let's continue like this. This is gonna create huge... huge gap in our... Like, look at these guys. Absolutely glorious. They are removing the copper from here. They're removing copper into this storage. Yeah, it's already, all of them are on the way. They just brought 200 copper here, and they're gonna continue doing so. And every time there's a gap here, these guys are gonna be switching between producing new copper and using this from the storage. So this is gonna be a nice sink for this copper from the port. I think these priorities work very well. I like that. There we go. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Yeah, this is going to be subsidizing any lack in production that we have, but lack in production is intentional, just because like we can scale this up easily. We need another. I don't think we even need this. This is no. We have blast furnace 24. This one is producing 12, so we need one more of these, and then this is 12, and here we can process 24 into 19 and a half. So literally, we would have to just make one more of these, and we would double production of copper. Yeah, so that's it. What's happening here? Not enough maintenance. Why is it so? So where is maintenance? I think this is maintenance, and it says 0 again. And why are... Oh, right, because of this. Well, actually, now that we have all the copper that we need, this shouldn't cause problems, right? Well, it should increase the production. We were getting 12. Ah, yeah, this was... Oh, no, it's not. We were getting 12, not into 12. It's 12 into... half of this, not much, like, I don't know, 10, well, less than 10, but now we're gonna get more. But this maintenance, this is not, I think we should, did I upgrade this? Yeah, but we need electronics, right? 12 electronics, and I think we already calculated that everywhere else we're getting 12 here, and then, oh, right, let me see this maintenance. It's right here. So basic maintenance creates 12.6, and this one is 24.12. So yeah, no, we are not getting, oh, but we get more. Yeah, we get more for the double amount. We get more than double. It's from 220, it's not 440 but 480, a little bit more, but still not enough maintenance. Well, that's what we're working on. Interesting, nobody's delivering these things here. But you can also see that here we're not consuming these, so it's -2 less. And then here we do have production going, but it's not consuming. Actually, this is probably consuming with full speed. And then here, this one is probably going full speed ahead. So we are definitely getting 6 consumed here. We are getting 2 consumed here, that's 8. 6 and 2, that's 8. And then here it's leftovers. Only 4. So you're telling me that 4 here is not enough. Okay, so this tells me also that we need to increase production of this. And I kind of... Did I say it again? Snookered myself? Thinking out loud. I mean, I can easily build factory over here. It will need rubber though. It would be better if I build it over here. So let me move this around. This is not going to be a big problem. So if I build a storage over here, right next to this, and then connect it right. This is going to be copper, and I'm gonna be connecting it with the conveyor belt. Too close to other. Okay, that's fine. This way, and then this guy needs to be destroyed. So go away. Oh. And we're gonna build in the opposite direction, but that's gonna be again for the... I'll do it off screen. Actually, what do we even need to do here? We need to upgrade our boat fully. Did we upgrade... Oh. Oh, it's only... Wow, it only delivered this out of everything that we need. These trucks might be really busy. Like, more than extremely busy. Yeah, they are tearing down the mountain. That's really nice to see. Absolutely glorious. Come on, let's upgrade the ship. Actually, I don't think we're gonna be able to upgrade the ship in this episode. No, we definitely not, because we are almost done with the research, next level research, and and that's gonna be we're gonna need to put more parts on the ship, which we are still not even delivering everything that we have here. We're missing these. Why are these not being delivered? Where are we storing these? I think they're just not delivering it because everybody's so busy. Do I need more trucks then? Is that a problem? I know that if I have more trucks, then I'm gonna need more maintenance, right? Where do I do this maintenance thing again? It's here, right? So 50%. This ore sorting is something that I'm not really sure if this is something that I should be doing the way I'm doing it. I'm putting all the ore sorting in different places, and maybe I should be sorting it different. I don't know. I don't think the buckets can, these excavators can distinguish what they're grabbing with the bucket. They just grab what is there, and then it needs to be sorted. And if I had one sorter, that would be like a crust. The problem with that is that, wait, so what is it called, what they have here? Like this mixture, okay, this is only iron, but like in the mixture of things, it's not called anything. There's no, it's just input, right? Unsorted input, but you cannot transport unsorted input. I'm thinking like, can we have collection areas? And then, yeah, nothing here is unsorted. Maybe they can. No. I think they can only put one stuff in these bad boys. Anyway, look, I'm gonna have to. We're gonna have to cover this in the next one. The research is done. We have warnings here, not enough maintenance. I'm gonna have to deal with that, and then vegetables, you can go away. We will go and double check here how much is gonna cost us to upgrade the armor here. Definitely. Modification in progress. Okay, it looks like we're gonna have to wait for later after we are done with this, but looks like we are very, very... Oh, new buildings. This looks like home. That's how home looks like. Perfect. They have electricity here, look at this. Cool. I don't like the water tanks though. That's not where I come from. We don't have water tanks at the rooftops of the buildings. But anyway, look, that's a different story for a different time. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, press the like button. If you didn't, leave a nasty comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Like, share, notification bell, ring it, comment section, hit it. And if you want to support the channel, I have a description of the video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.